For those people still booting their systems from hard drives, there is a simple direct replacement that will give their computer a performance kick in the pants. The Samsung 860 EVO is a great choice. At close to 3 times the speed of spinning rust, the SATA SSD also uses less power, is lighter, silent, and connects using a port that all desktop systems come with a standard. Samsung makes a wide range of these devices, with the EVO series sitting in the middle ground of performance and capacity at an affordable price point. Here we review the new 860 EVO. Samsuns currently makes 960, 850 and 750 EVO models, although the 960 is exclusively in NVMe PCIE M.2 design and not available in the 2.5 inches SATA. The UK pricing places the new 860 EVO very close to 850 EVO levels when it was released. The older 850 EVO 500GB costs about £140 today, so the 860 EVO is just £20 more. In the US, an 850 EVO 500GB costs about $150, and the new model is pitched at $20 more, almost the same ratio as the UK difference. Within a short time scale, expect the 860 EVO to come down in price modestly, and what 850 EVOs are left in the channel might well be discounted, too. It's worth noting that the 4TB model is cheaper than the 4TB 850 EVO, and therefore if you want an SSD that big, then it